www.wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best open signs. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Choose from a veritable rainbow of high visibility color schemes with a lookourway feather flag to broadcast your message far and wide. Standing up to 12 feet tall, this vertical banner comes with an aluminum pole kit and ground spike for quick and easy setup. It makes a great roadside or sidewalk display and is a cost-effective marketing tool. However, note that a hard surface X-mount is sold separately. At number 9, the Optima Jumbo uses 100% LED lighting for long-lasting illumination that doesn't buzz, flicker erratically, overheat or run up your electric bills. It comes with a hanging chain for easy installation and 4.5 feet of power cord to reach the nearest outlet. It offers static and blinking options and is designed for maximum visibility, but it is for indoor use only. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the VIP Vintage Star Wooden has closed painted in bold letters on the reverse side. So all you've got to do is turn it around when the workday begins and remember to switch it back over at the close of business. It's vertically aligned and measures 12 by 5 by 3/4 inches. It's made of rustic wood with a jute rope hanger and is light enough for suction cup mounting. However, it's not as durable as it could be. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for open signs or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for a budget-friendly and uncomplicated solution, go for the agptek LED, which blinks enticingly in one mode to draw the gaze of passers-by, or serves as a steady, reliable beacon on its static setting, offering full visibility 24 hours a day. It boasts lower energy usage than Nylon and an easy-to-use toggle button, but it is a bit on the small side. Moving up our list to number 6. Available with interchangeable peel and stick times or in a programmable digital version, the newon lighted display makes it clear from hundreds of feet away whether you're on the job and ready to do business or closed for the day. It includes an attention-grabbing flashing feature and bright eco-friendly illumination, and the hours stay lit even when the sign is off. Halfway up our list at number 5. Bringing the iconic illuminated display into the new millennium, the maxlit Ultra Bright uses high visibility LEDs to broadcast its message for all to see. Lightweight and controllable via an included remote, it comes with mounting chains and a 5-foot long power cord. This one can be seen from 400 feet away and draws little energy. It lasts for up to 50,000 hours. At number 4, let visitors know exactly when to come by with the Premier POS Business Hours. Its injection-molded plastic enclosure features 3-dimensional colored acrylic lenses and a programmable LED display that can be seen from as far away as 500 feet. It's equipped with a wireless remote control and is visible through dark-tinted windows. It comes with detailed instructions. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The 3 by 5 foot nylon banner by US Flag Factory is fabricated from 200 denier ripstop canvas in vivid red, white and blue panels, or custom colors of your choice, sewn together and emblazoned with screen-printed lettering in the center. It's treated with a UV-resistant coating and made with sturdy grommets and reinforced hems. This one's great for high traffic settings. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for open signs or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, simple, straightforward and inarguably affordable, the jennygems wooden two-sided requires nothing more than a pair of hands to flip it over at the start and end of the workday, inviting visitors to come in on the front and reading "Sorry, we're closed" on the back. It comes with a braided cord for hanging and is finished in bold, easy-to-read colors. It measures 10 by 6 inches. And taking the top spot on our list, boasting the classic curb appeal of neon, minus that irritating flicker and constant hum, the LED Factory Wavy is an energy-efficient and eco-friendly alternative to the old standby. It comes in 4 bright, eye-catching color combinations and has 3 operating modes. It's made of durable molded plastics and is visible from up to 150 feet away. It includes a 42-inch hanging chain. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Open Sides, or simply click beneath this video.